Good day, everybody. Welcome to Bompa's Homestead. So in this video, I'm gonna be continuing the roof of the garage, as explained in last week's video. Took me longer than expected. One was the hot temperature that did not help. The other thing that didn't help is my fear of heights, so that slowed me down more than I expected it to. So still managed to get the roof done. Also, there was also some rain that created some delays. So at least it's done now. I'm very happy that it's done. That's another step going forward for the garage. Eventually, there'll be more videos for on the garage going forward, but I'm still not sure what we're going to be doing within the garage. So I do know that I still have to take off the other half of the ceiling on the first floor. So that'll be more during autumn or in the winter. So here we go for the for finishing up the roof on the garage. Good day, everybody. Still working on the garage roof. Wasn't able to film much because it was way too hot, and the camera kept on shutting off since it was always in the sun on top of the roof. But I'm gonna try and show you here a bit what I've got done. So right now I got this whole side here covered up. I got 2 sheets of metal put. Not finished on the other side yet. So I'm hanging right now. I'm gonna be cutting my sheets. So look at the view. It's a beautiful view of it. Zoom in. Yeah, look at that. Look at the view from the top here. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. So I'm gonna try and see if I'm able to film now. We're on the second day of doing the roof. It took me longer than I expected, and with the heat, it was just not easy. I was exhausted last night. Started at 9 a.m. and finished at 10 p.m. So it was a very long day, but managed to get most of the roof done. Just had the metal roofing to put on, so that's what I'm doing today. So let's do this.
A few moments later.
So while I was editing my video, I noticed that I didn't show the end result of the roof. One of the reasons why was because I was completely at the end and there was no place to put the camera. So right now I'm gonna go up. Right now, see, we're at the carport. So I'm gonna walk up. I'm gonna be bringing you guys with me. So here we go. I'm gonna try not to drop you, and I'm at the same time gonna try not to fall. Changing hand here, so bear with me. We're going up. Here we go. Okay, so now we're on the carport roof. I'm gonna go to the other ladder. And we're going up the other ladder. Sorry, I didn't show you the other ladder. So going up. We're getting there. Ta-da! I'm just gonna fix this here, like that. There we go. So I have different colors, which, you know, one of the reasons why it didn't cost me much on my roof. I'll be explaining it right after this. So basically, I don't have the orange on this side. On the other side, which I can't show you, and I'm not going on there. It's wet right now, and I'm not tied up. So I have the gray. So I started off with beige. So half of the garage on both sides is beige, and then I got some gray. And then on the other side, there's no orange. It's all gray. And I finished on this side with the orange. Managed to reuse the top that used to be on it, so it came out quite good. Some were still a little bent there, but it works. That's what's important. So this is what it looks like on this side. So very happy that it's done. So there you go. There you go, everybody. The roof is finally done on the garage. I'm very happy. It did take longer. I wanted to do it in one day, which did not happen at all. And again, as explained in the beginning of the video and in last week's video, my fear of heights slowed me down quite a lot. But still happy that I fought that fear. I went forward. Nice and slow. I did it up my own pace, took it nice and slow, but got it done. Also, I did say in last week's video that I was going to explain the costs and how much I saved on this. So basically, I went to the local hardware store here to buy my metal roof, and they told me that it was going to cost me $1,750 Canadian plus tax. So that would have came almost to $2,000 with the taxes. So I took the time to go on Facebook Marketplace, and after searching quite a lot, well, I found a place that they buy the overstock of roof. So you probably noticed in the video that I have different colors on my roof. So since it's up there, the roof is up there, nobody's going to see it except if you're passing in a plane. You'll probably see the different colors on my roof. So I managed to buy the metal roof, what I needed, and it cost me $600. So basically, I saved $1,400 Canadian on the metal roof. Then I had to buy the plywood. So I put plywood on it, but usually you would put a 1/4 inch on plywood on it, or even a 1/2 inch, which would be ideal to put on a roof. But with the prices of the plywood here in Canada, I put a 3/8 plywood on it, which is not very thick. Now, the cost of the plywood cost me more than what I paid for my metal roof. It cost me $700 in plywood, and this is 3/8 that I bought. So if I would have bought 1/4 plywood, that would have been around $1,000. And if I would have went with a 1/2 inch, sorry about that. If I would have went with a 1/2 inch, it would have cost me around $1,300. So, I went with 3/8. Already that it costs me, quite a lot. So in total, it cost me $1,300 for the metal roof, the plywood, and also the membrane. So the membrane took me four rolls. That's $100 each, so that's $400. So in all, also got the screws. Can't forget the screws. That cost me $100. So it's $1,800 that it cost me to do my roof by myself. So basically, I saved mostly on the metal roof. So that's where I saved a lot of money on that. And also, I saved the money of doing it myself, because if I would have hire a contractor to do that for me, it would have cost me around $8,000 to get it done. So I saved a lot of money by doing it myself. Saved a good amount by searching and not buying at the hardware store, searching for good prices on Facebook Marketplace. So very happy about that. So there we go. That's how much it cost me to get my roof to do my roof on the garage. So very happy it's done. Thank you very much, everybody, for watching. As usual, please like and subscribe on the bottom. Helped me quite a lot. Very much appreciated that you're here watching my videos. Again, if you have any comments on things that you like, that you don't like, things that my kind of different edits. I've been trying different edits on my videos lately. So let me know what you like, what you don't like, what you would like me to change, how to change it. All the comments are very much appreciated. Well, thank you for watching. See you next week.